Welcome to Superior Van and Mobility. Today we're giving you a quick walk around of our wheelchair accessible rental van, designed to provide safe, comfortable, and convenient transportation for you and your loved ones. All of our rental vans are designed for easy access. Depending on availability, we offer both side entry and rear entry conversions to accommodate different needs. The ramp system is either manual or power operated, making entry and exit smooth and hassle-free. Our power ramp operates with just the push of a button, while the manual ramps are lightweight and easy to deploy. Inside the vehicle, there are buttons for operation of the ramp on the dash, on the B pillar behind the passenger seat, and also on the C pillar in front of the third row seating. Inside, you'll find a lowered floor design, providing ample headroom for a comfortable ride. Our vans can accommodate one or more wheelchair users depending on the configuration. Please ask your representative for best tie-down placement for your wheelchair user. Whether using a manual or a power wheelchair, always secure the tie-downs to the frame or designated D-rings, never to the wheels. Each van is equipped with easy-to-use wheelchair tie-downs and lap and shoulder seat belts to ensure a secure and safe ride. Our team will show you how to use these before you drive off. Be sure you're using the lap and shoulder belt properly, whether you're in the passenger section or in the center section of the lower floor van. Each van is also equipped with climate control, backup cameras, and modern safety features, giving you a comfortable and confident driving experience. Superior Van and Mobility Rentals offer flexible seating options, allowing for both wheelchair users and additional passengers. The front passenger seat may be removed, making it possible for some wheelchair users to sit up front. In this case, you may have to move the tie-downs when the person enters and exits the vehicle each time. You simply pull up on the Q-straint lever and move left or right and pull up, and the tie-down will release. We understand that unexpected issues can happen. If your van breaks down or has a malfunction, don't worry. Each van comes with a key tag displaying your store's emergency after-hours contact number. Just give us a call and a technician will be on the way to assist you. If you need immediate assistance before our technician arrives, you can use the power backup switch located under the rear third row seat. Or you can manually open the door and push the ramp out to ensure quick access. Renting a wheelchair accessible vehicle with Superior Van and Mobility is easy. Just give us a call or visit our website at superiorvan.com to check availability and reserve your van today. With daily, weekly, and long-term rental options, we're dedicated to making transportation accessible for everyone. Whether it's for a trip, medical appointment, or special occasion, we got you covered.